of uncertainty associated with any event is called as probability, right? So the probability, when I say experimental or empirical, मतलब experiment करके जो result आता है, उसका क्या probability है? Number of trials in which, see, most of the time I have lived. Being a normal day, I have lived. And depending on the total number of days, right? समझ में आ रहा है? People have lived. So now, when you talk about probability, which is a theoretical approach, favorable outcome मतलब जो outcome मुझे चाहिए divided by total number of outcomes. Like for example, when I toss a coin, what are the two events that can happen? Tossing a coin is an experiment. जो activity मैं करती हूँ वो experiment है. उसका जो नतीजा है उसको बोलते हैं outcome. So what is the? Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the? Experiment, and what is the outcome that I want actually, right? Is called as favorable outcome. And what are the possible outcomes that can happen, right? Me leaving for college from home, reaching there on time, right? Reaching there on time is a favorable outcome. So how certain is it? There are two outcomes. I may reach on time, I may not reach on time, correct? So I will see the uncertainty associated with each and every outcome. Outcome मतलब नतीजा बोलते हैं, right? Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
We will see the theoretical aspects and then we will start working out. Equally likely outcome. What is equally likely? This is equally possible. When I toss a coin, right? It is an equally likely outcome of me getting a head or getting a tail, right? If I cast a dice, die मतलब आप लोग ये लूडो खेलते हो ना, लूडो, स्नेक एंड लेडर, सब वो सब खेले
Yes.
साथ एक डाई आता है 6 फेस, एक शक्ल में 1 लिखा रहता है, दूसरे शक्ल में 2, तीसरे शक्ल में 3, चौथे शक्ल में 4, पांचवे शक्ल में 5 एंड देन छठवें शक्ल में 6, राइट? तो इसका जो भी फेस, एक फेस तो निकल आएगा आपको. सी आई ऑलवेज वांट, सपोजिंग इट सेज 1 टू स्टार्ट, आई ऑलवेज वांट 1, ठीक है? तो वो 1 कितने बार आएगा? 1 आउट ऑफ 6 टाइम्स ओनली आई विल गेट अ 1. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? आर यू फॉलोइंग? All 6 phases are likely to occur. एक थ्रो में 1 भी आ सकता है, 2 भी आ सकता है, 3 भी आ सकता है, 4 भी आ सकता है, 5 या 6 भी आ सकता है. कोई एक तो आएगा ही. Supposing when I say not equally likely, which means it is not an equally, उसको इतना possibility नहीं है. Same possibility of getting the each outcome. See, supposing I say 1 आएगा, next outcome may be 1, may not be 1, right? समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Supposing I have 5 balls, 3 blue, 3 green, right? So 3 blue balls का आने का chances ज़्यादा है out of 5 than 2 green balls. समझ में आ रहा है? दोनों का equal probability नहीं है. Again, when I say we will start with problems and then gradually go on. समझ में आ रहा है? These are all some of the theory parts that I have given you. Impossible आने का chance ही नहीं है with a one face die. I mean with one die I cannot get a 7. Correct? समझ में आ रहा है? मुझे 7 आने का chance बिल्कुल मुमकिन नहीं है because it has only till 6 faces. So now we will start a little with the problems here. Simple basic problems. I've also taken out some problems for you. 4, 2, 5, 6. Okay. See, what is a sample space? Sample space is all possible outcomes of an experiment is called as sample space. In case I cast a die, right? In case I cast a die, the sample space talks about me get the possibility of me getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They all have equal chances. ये सारे possible outcomes है. List of all possible or set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So out of 6, possibility of me getting a 4 when a die is cast. What is the possibility of getting a 4 when a die is cast? 4 कितने शक्ल है? Only one face. I want just this face, 4. So I will say 1. And how many are there totally? How many possibilities are there? Count here. 1, 2, 3,
6.
6. So 1 by, or I will say 1 by 6. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So possibility of getting any face. Possibility of me getting an even number. Even number कितना होगा? How many even numbers are?
3, 2, 4, 6.
2, 4,
2, 4, 6.
So I will say even numbers are, यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ 2, 4, 6 is equal to how many are there? 3, right? Out of
3.
total 6 incomes. So total 6 outcomes. Sorry. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or which is equal to 1 by 2. 3 by 6 is what? 1 by 2. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now let me put it this way. Possibility of me getting a 4 and or I will say or an even number, right? Or let me put it this way, 5 or an even number. ठीक है? 5 or an even number. अच्छा, एक और चीज आपको मैं बताना चाहती हूँ. एक छोटा सा शॉर्टकट है, आपको अच्छे तरह से याद रखो. Whenever I say or, it is associated with a plus sign. Whenever I say and, ठीक है, मैं आपको समझाती हूँ क्या है करके. ये it is associated with a multiplication sign. समझ में आ रहा है? ये दो चीज अच्छी तरह से rule of thumb remember. Okay? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the possibility of getting? Possibility of getting 5. What is the possibility of getting 5? 1 by 6. Correct?
Yes.
Possibility of getting
मैम वो 1 जून हो गया.
an even number. What is that? Sorry, मैं correct करती हूँ. 1 by 6. ठीक है? Now, what is the possibility of getting an even number? Come on, quick.
3 by 6.
Yes.
3 by 6.
So, what is the question here? What is the question here? एक बार क्वेश्चन पढ़ो मेरे लिए प्लीज. क्वेश्चन पढ़ो.
Possibility.
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 ये नीचे. एक सेकेंड ना. Let's resume. Okay. Now, what is the probability of drawing a heart from the deck of a cards? From a deck of cards. Have you seen a deck of cards? बच्चे लोग अपने कार्ड्स देखे हैं क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कार्ड्स कितने कार्ड्स रहते हैं एक पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स में और एक
52.
52.
52.
52.
52 cards में what do you actually have? You have 4 suits. ठीक है? 2 in black. The black ones are clapper and spade. The red ones are hearts and diamond. Right?
Diamond. Yes.
13 of each suit you have. Correct? So I have 13 cards of hearts. I want one of them. So I'll say 13 by 52. Are you following?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Going back to this, 3 green balls, 2 big balls are, I'm sorry, there are, let me put it this way, there are 3 green and 2 pink balls in a bag, right? What is the probability of drawing? I'll give you subdivisions. Let us see how they work out. Okay? Drawing, first of all, 1. A green ball. Okay? 2. Pink ball. Okay? A green or a pink ball. Okay? This is when one ball is drawn. Okay? when one ball is drawn, what is the probability of drawing a green ball? There are how many green balls?
3. 3 green balls.
Going to draw out of 3 green ball, 1 green ball. So I will say 1 by 3. Following? एक minute. It is decided from the 3 you are going to draw 1. A pink ball. Again it is going to be. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
No, ma'am.
Not understood. See, there are 2 ways of thinking about it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, we are not saying it is drawn from a bag where you cannot see at random. You put your hand in and okay? It is just said that when there are, it's in a bag, but then you are drawing green balls very specifically. We are not taking it as 5 balls. We are taking it as 3 green balls. So I will say it as 1 is 1 by 3. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next one? There are 2 pink balls. What is the next one?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. What is the next one then? Green or a pink? 1 by 2. What is the next one?
2 by 5.
Sorry?
2 by 5.
Nahin, 2 by 5 nahin.
1 by 5.
Plus 1 by 2. Correct? Sorry, 1 by 2.
2 मैम
Four plus hai na? Remember?
Yes.
So or is plus.
Plus.
So it is 5. Five by sorry. Okay? Why I will tell you. आपको एक ही बॉल चाहिए. There are 5 balls, right? 3, okay, 1. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following?
yes ma'am
मैम 2 by 5 आएगा ना?
2 by 5 नहीं आएगा क्यों? नीचे डिनोमिनेटर ऐड नहीं करते, एलसीएम लेके करते हैं ना बेटा. डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा तो आप ऐड कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली. हियर यू कैन नॉट ऐड लाइक दैट.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
चलो, कैन वी प्रोसीड?
Yes, ma'am.
Coin, 2 coins together, right? You're tossing 2 coins together, right? What is the probability of getting at least 1 tail? Achha, before we proceed,
Head, tail.
very good.
अब NS4 होगा.
Head, tail, correct?
TH
Tail head, tail.
Are you following? But before we start, थोड़ा सा coin tossing का हम intro देख लेते हैं, okay? A coin is tossed. ठीक है? What is the probability of getting a head? Right? You may have H or T, correct? As the outcomes, possible outcomes. But I want a head. So it is going to be 1 by 2. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, let me see this. If 2 coins are tossed, then I have 4 probabilities, 4 possible outcomes. Are you following? When I have 4 possible outcomes, what is the probability of getting at least 1 tail, right? At least 1 tail बोला तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे? I can have 1 tail. I can have both tails. Correct? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
One tail or both of them being tail. Two coins are tossed. One tail or so, but this and this will be considered the same. So P of one tail is equal to one tail here. Sorry. What is P of one tail? एक ही tail आने का
HT.
HTTH.
TH, correct? HT and TH. What is that? 2 by 4, correct? Are you following, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes. Yes.
अगर एटलीस्ट बोला तो दोनों लेने का ना मतलब
एटलीस्ट बोला तो दोनों लेने का. पहले हम एक पॉसिबिलिटी देखते हैं. एक टेल आने का क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है? एटलीस्ट बोला तो 1 आएगा, नहीं तो 1 से ज्यादा. कम से कम एक टेल आए, इसका क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है? कैसे आप देखोगे? करेक्ट. पहले आप एक टेल का देखोगे. एक टेल का तो मुझे 2 by 4 आया. दोनों टेल का लेट मी से 1, करेक्ट? 1 by 4. Are you following?
यस मैम.
Either this or this. So I will say 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. यहाँ पे 3 by 4 आया है. Sorry, I'll correct this. 3 by 4. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे आया है. 3 outcomes are there out of the 4 outcomes.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yes,
दो
ma'am.
टॉस एक साथ कर रहे हैं. दो कॉइन्स को एक साथ टॉस कर रहे हैं, राइट? Each of them are independent. एक में जो आता है that is not depending on the other one. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
मैम
Yes, please.
2 by 4 कैसे है?
Right? See, I have listed down the possible outcomes. Head आ सकता है, head tail आ सकता है, tail आ सकता है, tail h आ सकता है. तो एक tail कितने में है? One tail कितने में है? देखो.
3 में.
Sorry?
टेल 4 3 में मैम.
Sorry, बेटा. I'm not getting your question. समझ में आ रहा है?
2 में मैम.
क्या बेटा? एक टेल कितने ऑप्शंस है यहाँ पे?
2 में मैम.
दो में है ना?
यस मैम.
एंड देन दो टेल कितने में है?
1 में. 1 में.
1 में है ना? तो मैंने
Yes.
कहा कम से कम एक टेल आने का क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है? तो मैंने क्या बोला? एक टेल आने में 2 चांसेस है, करेक्ट? आउट ऑफ द 4 चांसेस. टोटली कितना आउटकम्स है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आया है, करेक्ट? एंड देन एक टेल आने का 2 चांसेस है और 2 टेल आने का 1 चांस है. सो आई से 3 by 4. समझ में आया? इधर
Yes,
दिस
ma'am.
और दिस विल हैपन. और बोला तो बीच में प्लस साइन आएगा. समझ में आता है?
Yes मैम.
When I say
Yes,
this
ma'am.
and this has to come, then it will become
Into.
multiply sign. Correct? Are you following?
Yes मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Bag contains 4 green balls, 5 white balls, and 6 red balls. Okay? Find the probability of if a bike match. Find the probability of drawing a green and a red ball if 2 balls are drawn. random. ठीक है? Are you following? Second one, find the probability of drawing a white ball and 2 green balls if 3 balls are drawn at random. ठीक है? Now I have given you this, right? Now let's see. You know, last class, if you remember, we learned a little bit about permutation and combination. Correct? Do you remember that?
Yes,
A
ma'am.
little bit of that we will combine here. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's pay attention here. There are, let me write down what is given. List down the facts. 5 green. Okay. 5 white. 6 red. ठीक है? I have been this. Totally how many balls are there? Number of balls.
15.
15.
15.
Okay. Okay. So there are totally 15 balls. Okay. What is the probability of drawing of green if 2 balls are drawn at random? Are you following? Let me start with the next part. My denominator will be 15C2. समझ में आ रहा है? 2 balls out of the 15 balls are drawn at random. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
So denominator is going to be, for the first problem, it is going to be 15C2. Now, what is the probability of drawing a green ball and a red ball? ठीक है? कितने balls है? कितने green balls है? 4C1, कमा red ball कितने हैं? 6C1. सिंबल बाद में हम देखते हैं. ठीक है? So what I will say, 4C1 कितना आता है? 4/6. करेक्ट? ट्राई करके देखो. 4C1 and 6C1 तो क्या आता है? 4C1 into 6C1. What is the probability of drawing a green ball and a red ball divided by totally 15 में से 2 ड्रॉ किए जाते हैं? Following all of you? समझ में आ रहा है? थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि that is why we got introduced to the basic problems. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, समझ में आ
मैं
रहा है?
वापस बताओ वापस बताओ
श्योर. देखो, अभी ये 4 बॉल में से एक ड्रॉ करना है. मुझे क्या चाहिए? ग्रीन बॉल एक चाहिए, रेड बॉल एक चाहिए. वैसे तो मैं 15 बॉल में से 2 निकालने वाली हूँ. करेक्ट? मुझे उनमें से वो ग्रीन रहना चाहिए एक, और and is given, right? And it has to be a red ball. So it has to be from the 4, 1 out of 4, 1 out of 6. I am combining. समझ में आ रहा है? And है बीच वाला symbol, so I am giving a multiply sign. समझ में आ रहा है? Multiplication sign add कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे बीच में. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
टोटली 15 बॉल में से निकाल रही हूँ, पर उनमें से क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि इट इज आउट ऑफ द 4 balls and 1 is out of the 6 का कैटेगरी, राइट? I mean, it is categorized based on the color. Are you following?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is 4C1? 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial and 3 factorial. याद है आपको? NCR, n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So let me keep this away for some time. Denominator फिलहाल के लिए मैं दूर रखती हूँ. ठीक है? I will start solving my numerator. So I will say 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 1 factorial into 6 factorial, 5 factorial and 1 factorial.
One
समझ में आता है? All of you? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अभी मैं जब ये खोलती हूँ 4 फैक्टोरियल क्या होता है 4 हो जाता है बिकॉज 3 into 2 into 1 पूरा स्ट्राइक ऑफ हो जाता है. यू रिमेम्बर दैट. into 6 आता है यहाँ पे भी. आर यू फॉलोइंग? व्हेन आई एक्सपैंड दिस व्हाट विल हैपन? ये एक्सपैंड करने से सी इट विल कम 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 factorial, right? Sorry, to 1 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. 1 factorial is obviously 1, correct? And this is going to be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. ठीक है? The whole divided by 5 factorial. This is going to be याद है आपको लास्ट टाइम हमने किया था? Do you recall? So I'm going to strike off. I'm going to strike off this. I will say strike this off. Strike this off. Correct? Now strike this off. Strike this off. What is left with me? 4 into 6. Did you understand?
Yes. Yes,
All of you? So I will say my numerator talks about 4 into 6. Okay? Now let me solve for my denominator. 15C2, right? Factorial divided by 2 factorial into 13 factorial. Are you following? समझ में आ रहा है?
नो मैम, फिर से समझाओ ना एक बार.
No, ma'am.
What is NCR? I am solving for my denominator. Numerator मैंने इधर लगा दिया. मैंने आपको दिखाया कैसे आया, right? Same way when I solve for my denominator, it is the same. NCR is what? N factorial divided by R factorial, which is 2 factorial, into N minus R factorial. 15 minus 2 is what? 13 factorial. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
यस मैम.
All of you here?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी आप expand करो the same way. 15 into 14, 13 into whatever. Okay? So I will finally get it as 15 into 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 into 7. समझ में आ रहा है? So I will get 50. आप solve करके देखो. The way I did like this, आप solve करके देखो. समझ में आ रहा है? You're going to try expanding this. All of you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure? Will you solve it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let me find out what this is. ठीक है? 15 is what? 3 into 5. Correct? So I'll make it 3 into 5 and this is going to be 3 into 2. Right? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं समझे? Not following? Following or not? So I'll make it here as 2. This is going to be 2. ठीक है? और ये 15 को क्या करूंगी? 5 बनाऊंगी नीचे. Right? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? 5 किधर गया? इधर आया.
Yes, ma'am.
So that comes to 8 by 35 equal, or I'll say 8 by 35. समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, you can write it as fraction if you want. 8 by 35 is 0.02285. Are you all following?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure? Sure, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? This is my working, rough working कर देती हूँ still. Rough working. आज मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लेती हूँ. Just go through this, understand. If you can solve the next problem, please solve. ठीक है? Otherwise, I will solve it for you. Are you okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I want a response.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. मैं चाहिए तो ये simplified form में भी लिख देती हूँ. Okay? Should I write it in the simplified form?
Yes, ma'am.
5c1 क्या होता है तो 5 factorial
No.
divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial, which is ideally 5, which is actually ultimately 5 हो जाता है, right? Into 4c2 क्या होता है? 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So it is going to be 6. अब कैलकुलेट करके देखो, ठीक है? You don't have to blindly accept, even if it is wrong. I am willing to correct. ठीक है? So I'll say 15 into 14 into 13. So it is going to be 15 into 13 is 5 into 7. डिनोमिनेटर आपको इतना आएगा, which is equal to 50 by 455. आप सॉल्व करो, मैंने जानबूझ के आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do I get this answer? You will work out and
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
मैम वो 15c3
हाँ
अगर आप फैक्टोरियल से करेंगे तो 15 12 कट हो जाएगा फैक्टोरियल, और 3 फैक्टोरियल से 3
plus 15 into 14.
मैम राइट हाँ समझा.
करेक्ट? समझ में आ रहा है?
मैम
ये वाला आना चाहिए आपको. Even if I simplify it, okay, simplify करती हूँ, I should get 0.0659. ठीक है? I want you to solve this fully.
Ma'am.
When you हाँ बोलो बेटा. Yes.
मैम वहाँ पे आपने 15C3 लिखा है ना जहाँ पे,
क्या?
so मैम if 15C3,
15c3.
तो मैम वो कैसे निकाला आपने?
ये वाला 15 बॉल में से 3 बॉल ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. 3 balls are drawn. डिनोमिनेटर में एक्चुअली 15 में से 3 बॉल निकाल रही हूँ, पर वो एक ग्रीन में से सॉरी 2 ग्रीन में से और एक व्हाइट में से होना चाहिए. इसका पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है? दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेस्टिंग. समझ में आ रहा है? इतने भी वो 15 में से ही मैं निकाल रही हूँ. करेक्ट? व्हाटएवर बी द कलर्स, 15 में से ही मैं निकालने वाली हूँ. But then what is the possibility? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So you will solve these problems at home also, and we are